Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I created this look. But before we get into the tutorial, if you are new here, hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please hit that subscribe button so you don't keep on missing out on the videos that I upload. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you very much. Now over to the tutorial. I have my brows done already as usual. Now I'm just going to go ahead to prime my lid, and to do that I'm using a concealer. Just going to blend that in with a brush, and then I went ahead to set the concealer with a powder. I'm using the setting powder in my Zaron Face definer. Now onto my eyes, and I'll be using this palette from Zaron. It's their Splash eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to be using that color as transition. After that, I'm going to take this color and I'm going to be blending that into my crease area. Just making sure that it blends into my transition color properly. Now to darken the corners of my eyes, I'm going to be going in with this black shade, and I used a flat eyeshadow brush to just apply it at the corners, and then I went in with a blending brush to blend it out. I used soft circular motion, but it looks faster because I fast forwarded the editing process so it doesn't take too long. Now going in with this two shade, I'm going to be using that in my lid area. I went in first with the green one. I applied it first with a dry brush. That didn't work out. I wet my brush. The same thing happened. Didn't really like it, so I went in with my fingers instead, which worked out fine. So I advise that you apply with your fingers if you want it to pop properly. Now I'm going to be using the yellowish gold shade in the inner corners of my eyes, and this applied quite well, really well actually. So I'm going to be applying that in the inner corners. That done, I went ahead to line my lid, and to do that I'm using a liquid eyeliner. This one is from Maybelline, I think. Then I went ahead to line my waterline with a blue eye pencil. That done, I went ahead to apply some mascara, and this one is a sample size I got from MAC. It was like it was free. I think I got it as complimentary stuff when I got a couple of things from them. Now over to my face, and I'll be priming first with my Rimmel Fix and Perfect primer. This is a moisturizing primer. Now I'll be going in with this highlighting stick that I got from Primark, and I'm just going to be applying this in the areas that I usually highlight with concealer. So my cheekbone, the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, my forehead, and my jaw. Now then I'm going to go ahead to blend it out with my fingers. Now over to foundation, and I'll be using this one from Zaron. This is their Healthy Glow foundation. You guys know I got this foundation fairly recently, and in the last video I used a mattifying primer and my beauty blender to apply it. So in this video I decided to switch it up a little, so I used a moisturizing primer, and I'm using my brush to apply this instead of a beauty blender. I just wanted to see how it works both ways, just so I know what works best with the foundation. And if you want to know what my thought is, ask me in the comment section. I'll let you guys know, or follow me on Instagram and ask me a question about it when I post a picture from this look. Now I'm done blending my foundation, and I'm going to go ahead to highlight. And to highlight, I'm also using a Zaron concealer, and I've gone ahead to apply that in the areas of my face that I highlight. Now I'm just going to go ahead with a beauty blender to blend that out properly. I really like this concealer a lot because it was easy to blend out. It's not very full coverage, but it's buildable, and it blended out quite nicely. Now I'm going to set the concealer with my setting powder from Colorpop. This is their translucent powder, so I'm just using a brush to apply this in the areas that I applied concealer to earlier. That done, I'm going to go ahead to contour, and I'm also using a concealer from Zaron, and I'm just applying this in the areas of my face that I would contour, just to give my face some kind of dimension. And then I went in with a beauty blender to blend it out. And like I said, blend it out very easily. That done, I'm going to go ahead to set the areas that I contoured, and I'm using my Zaron Face definer to do that, just the darkest shade in that palette. Now I'm going to go ahead to apply some blush. This would bring back colors to my face, so I'm just going to slightly apply blush onto my face. Now over to my lips, and I'm lining first with this lip pencil from Zaron. This one is called Stallion. And after that, I went in with a Zaron lipstick also, and this one is in Dusk. To set the whole of my face, I'm going to be going in with my Zaron Face powder, and I'm just going to be patting this all over my face. And then to put everything together, I went ahead to apply some Fix Plus. For highlights, I'm using this one in my Zaron Face definer first, just the gold one, and I'm just dusting this in the highest point of my cheeks, my nose, and the bridge of my nose as well, my cupid's bow and my temples. And I went on top of that with this one from e.l.f. just to intensify the glow a little. And this is the finished look, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment in the comment section. If you have any video ideas or suggestion, anything you want me to do, just leave it in the comment section. So share this video with your friends, encourage them to subscribe as well, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.